Hi!
Welcome back to my channel, my lovely peeps. I'm here today again in the kitchen.
Alright, nice. Alright, so what you making?
So today I will be making some healthy beet juice. Yes.
Alright, so Mom, so tell me, what's the ingredients?
Oh, so here we have 2 apples and we have a piece of ginger and then we have 3 lovely beets.
And then we got some water right there.
And we have the water right there. Alright, so let's get started. I am going to cut off here. And some people use a leaf, but I don't want to use a leaf. Never mind. You could juice some of the leaf. The leaf also have benefits too, but I don't want to use that. Alright.
So spring has arrived, so we're trying to be like more healthier, like eat more, vegetables and things like that.
I want to keep the skin on my
On your beets?
on my beets.
Okay.
So what I'm going to do, let me put them in here. Put them in here because I'm going to be washing them thoroughly. All right. And this the ginger. Yeah.
And then yeah, ginger is pretty good. I mean, you can use ginger in a lot of things, but trust me, if you use a lot of this, it can be pretty spicy. It's not bad. Some people like that kick.
All right. And you have to get out all the dirt
Off of it.
Yeah, because sometimes the dirt is stuck on there, so you have to just wash them thoroughly. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut up my fruits. And some people like to use a juicer, but for me, I don't like the consistency of the juice when it comes from the juicer, so I'm gonna be blending these. So let me go ahead and cut up my apple. And I'm wearing a gloves because the beets, I don't like the color all over my fingers.
Stain your fingers.
Yeah.
But yeah, so guys, just let you know, with these vegetables, I mean not
fruits.
yeah, fruits. I'm getting crazy. But no, what I'm saying is that they have a lot of benefits. The thing with apples is that they have brain power. They have a lot of fiber in them, vitamin C. Also, when it comes to the beets, it's good for detoxification, and
Also good for the liver.
Yes,
cleanses the liver.
Yes, exactly. And then you have the ginger, which that's good for inflammation.
Yeah.
So I mean, it's a lot of benefits that you can get from just nature, from natural things like fruits and all these good stuff.
All these good stuff.
Yeah.
Here I'm going in with my water, and I will be putting 2 bottles of water in there. that looks good. All right, I'm gonna straighten through this big one. All right. So you can go through. Okay, now for the taste test. This is delicious.
Is it, Mom?
Oh yes. And as you know, beets kind of have a little sweetness to it. And then with the apples, you don't need any sugar or anything. Just go straight ahead and drink from your glass.
All right, all right.
So please like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed, and touch that notification bell so every time I upload you guys can see. Thank you and have a blessed day. Ooh, this is nice.